C10.
And we'll show you why it's called that. And we'll give you a 360-degree view of the whole thing.
We're on water.
Oh yeah, someone's spraying them down with water. Okay. Back to 360-degree view. Woo! Roses! And this guy's feeling good. Tulips of some sort, or I guess they're roses. All these structures, we're all in the center of it, and they're playing like crazy techno dance music. And you can take naps here, it looks like. There's little shade everywhere. Awesome things everywhere. All grass, as you can see. We were afraid that it was going to be dust, but it's not. And that'll be a good 360-degree view for now. And bye!